Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can change the title tag of your Wix website. So the title tag is the text that you see up here at the top of your browser on the tab, and if you want to change this I'll teach you how. So start by going to Wix website editor, and then on the left hand side you need to go to pages and menu. Click here and go to the site that you want to change the title tag of. In this case I'm doing gift card. Click on the three dots here and then click SEO basics. From there, you have the title text option here. So if I want to just have, let's say, buy gift card here, this 2 words, gift card, then this is what it's going to say in a moment when I save it. To actually apply this to a website, you need to go up and click on publish. Save will just save the changes, and like if you're making website changes to your website, but publish will actually apply this change to the website. So click publish here, like this. And now when I go back to the site and reload the website, it should just say buy gift card. Like that. So that is how you can change the title tag of your Wix website very easily. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any other questions and I'll be happy to help.